Hi. Today's Shiloh's prom. We're gonna get some makeup. Yeah, we're doing it ourselves. We're not going to a makeup place. Shiloh's gonna do it. Right, Shiloh?
Yeah.
And then, so, prom.
Prom.
Okay, Shai is looking for something. What's this store called? Ulta? So beauty. Yeah. It has everything. It's a makeup store. I guess. I don't know. I've never been in here. Look under there.
26? 21. Oh, that one's so pretty though.
Which one?
It's the Fenty.
So you don't have the money? So you don't buy it?
Yeah, but she's at $50. No, that's okay. But then I also have the money that grandma said.
Okay, so it's so nice in here. Look. Looks nice. Beautiful. Shallow, what you got?
Looking at the pink glitters.
Okay.
Oh, this one's pretty, right?
Let me see.
Oh, that one's pretty.
Okay. Yes, so this is a Fenty side. She got something from here. Yeah. She ever Shauna got her all this stuff from right here. Yeah, Shauna. We're trying to get some lash and stuff.
Yes, you are.
Because this is the black side.
It is. This brand is a black owned brand, and the blush is supposed to be really good.
Black on. Yeah, we have this at home. Look how much lipstick.
I can't open it.
So make I open it? Hold this. Alright. Hold the phone.
Oh. That was easy. Thank you. Well, I have other things in my hand.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, that's your name, pepper. So they want to act like pepper?
They're lip comfort.
I never know I could have find it. Oh, let me get lip plump. Oh. See guys, I'm not cooking but we're still using pepper.
Is that pretty?
I
For a blush?
Hmm?
Is that pretty for blush?
Yes, take off my glasses.
Or is it too sparkly?
Can never be too sparkly.
You have a point.
Oh, it does show. This thing. This is before prom, and then we're gonna show you the after.
It looks purple.
The purple?
Yeah.
Okay, so stick to one that we did talk about before.
This one looks pink. That looks good.
Yes. Here they are. So now we're looking for lashes, pretty. We're doing it. Okay, so I'm not showing all the things. This is a beauty store. No cooking today. I like the lotion. Okay, so we have the sponge and brushes. Okay. Lashes. The whole works. You know, girly stuff. So guys, I'm braided here and I'm doing the style, like putting it into a style, and then I'm gonna show you all the dresses we had to choose from. Do not turn. Ah, yeah, I love that too. This is more prommy.
This one?
So guys, Shiloh tried on a bunch of dresses, but you know when you go dress shopping and you don't get a perfect dress, so she wanted me to add a bow. So I made a bow and we added to the dress, and then it was perfect and it came out lovely. Leave in the comment, guys, what you think about the bow. Thank you. Guys, look at this sunset. I had to pause and just take it all in. Nature call. It is so distracting. I have to stop what I was doing and just show it to you. Isn't it pretty? Wow. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please leave a comment. Whether it's good or bad, I want to know. Thank you. Bye-bye.